Welcome. This screencast will take you through using a keyboard-based approach for labor scheduling. So the first thing that you're going to notice is that there is a yellow box on the screen, and that yellow box signifies the active cell in the schedule. So I can move around this yellow box by using either the arrow keys, or I can use the Enter key to move vertically and the Tab key to move horizontally. This is the same approach that is used in Excel. So to add a shift, I will select an employee who I wish to add the shift to, and I can just start typing in the time that I'd like this employee to be assigned. So I'm just going to start by typing 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So 9 a.m. - 5 p.m. So you can see that in the when area, which is when the employee is scheduled, I've entered 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the job is already selected for me as bartender. So I press enter. You can see the shift is saved and is available. So 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If I want to add another shift, I can press enter to move down, and I will create another shift from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Enter, and you can see the shift has been saved. If I want to go back, if that time is not correct, I can go back and I can edit a shift by pressing the E key. You can see that it's selected 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So let's say I want 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. I can just update the time and press enter. You can see that the shift has been updated from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. If I need to add another shift, if I want to schedule this user for a double, I can simply just start typing again. So let's say they're going to come back from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. for cleanup. I can enter 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. and hit enter. I can see that that user now has two shifts. To delete a shift, I navigate to the cell which I want to delete. So we'll start by deleting a single shift, and I press the D key. You can see it's asking me to confirm, and I can press enter, and the shift has been removed. Now, to remove a shift when there are two scheduled, I need to be able to tell the system which shift I wish to remove. So if I just press D, I'm going to get something telling me that the system doesn't know which shift to delete. And it's going to ask me to press either Control down or Control up to select that shift. So I can press Escape to clear that. And now if I hold Control and I press up or down, you can see that the shift is being highlighted with purple. So let's say I want to delete that second shift. I highlight that shift and I press D. It'll ask me if I wish to delete the shift, and I will press enter, and we can see that shift removed. Now another feature is copying and pasting shifts. So if I want to copy this existing shift that I have from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., I can highlight it, and then I can press the C button. And you'll see that that's going to blink momentarily and highlight the shift. That means that that shift has been copied. Now anywhere I wish to paste it, I can simply move the yellow box and press press V, and the shift will be pasted directly into that cell. So I can do this as many times as I would like. So I can say I'm going to add a shift every day this week. So I can take it and I can just paste it across the board. And you can see that the user now has that exact shift for every day this week. Now you'll also notice that while I've been creating these shifts, that the employee total hours and total cost has been updating. So we're going to make a note of this right here, so we can see right now that the user has 0 hours. So if I create a shift from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m., it's going to save, and then what's going to happen is the system detects that there's a new shift, and you can see it updated. We have 1 hour, and the total cost is $2.13 for this user. So while you're adding shifts, the system is looking to see how much it's costing you, how many hours that employee is scheduled for, and it's also looking for any type of conflicts that the shifts may have generated. So if I add a second shift here from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. and save it, well, that employee now is scheduled twice for the same time. So you can see the system has updated it to let me know that they are double scheduled, which is a problem. The other final item is that if we scroll down to the bottom, we can see the schedule totals and all of the schedule totals for the day, and broken apart by the day part. So every time I add a shift here as well, so if I add 9 p.m. to 11 p.m., when the system picks that up, it will update my schedule totals as well, which we've just seen highlighted.